The Cat Hammock by Pele. This is a short introduction on how to put a hammock on your windowsill for your cat so that they can relax and look out the window and be up high.
Hey guys, so today we have another product to promote. Well, we actually have to test it out actually. So we received another product, which is Pele, the name brand, Cat Hammock, which is you hang on the window and allows your cat to enjoy the outside. So again, we just received that product, so let's get it started. We're gonna open it, see how it looks like, and put it all together and see how hard is it to put together. So this is all the pieces. Interesting. So, and we got some toys. That is awesome. This is what the cat will be laying on. We put it all together. Again, those goes on the window as well as those one right here. This one you have to wet it so they suck on the window, and of course this one, tighter you go, it's gonna suck to the window as well. So now we're going to place it on the window and see how the kitties like it. Right there. Okay, I have to put the water on top of it. And to put it on the window is another thing. So, Sophie, here, get on it. Looks like so. She's definitely liking the toys. I definitely enjoyed that, to watch her, to see something that it actually works and it's heavy. Well, it's actually made for even heavier cats, so it sucks very well. Now, we tried it on the bathroom window. It didn't work, unfortunately, because that's actually her favorite spot to lay in. But we tried it on the bedroom window. Let's see if we can capture her sleeping on it. If not, I definitely seen her getting on it, grab the toy and leave. So give her some time, she's gonna get used to it. Eventually she's gonna be sleeping on it. Thank you guys, and I definitely approve.